Welcome into STO World. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to automate radio buttons. So let's begin. In this page multiple radio buttons are available. Option 1, option 2 and option 3. We can select one radio button at a time. Now we will automate this radio button by using Selenium WebDriver. First, we will navigate to this URL driver.getString and we enter the URL. Now we need to click on this radio button. We need locator for locate this element. Here name and ID both are available. We can use ID and name. Now we will locate this element by ID. Web element radio is equal to driver.find element by dot. We can locate by XPath and name. Here we enter the ID. Now we want to click on this radio button. We will use click radio.click. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and it will click on the first radio button. Chrome driver is opening. Navigate to the URL. Here first option will be selected. We can also use further options. Radio dot is enabled. Radio dot is displayed. Radio dot is selected. We can also add some condition. If radio dot is selected, print radio button selected. We use else condition. Else it will print radio button is not selected. Now it will print in console radio button is selected. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and locate the element by ID and then it will click on the first radio button. In radio button, we can select one option at a time, but in checkbox, we can click on multiple checkboxes. Radio button is selected and it select the first radio button. Now if we want to click on this checkboxes, we can click on this checkbox multiple at a time. Right click, and we need to locator. We can locate by element, we can locate by id, name, and xpath. Here checkboxes, now we can locate by id and name. Checkboxes 1 2 3. If we want to click on second checkboxes, we will use this id. Here we driver dot find element by dot id. We enter the id and we want to click on this checkbox. Let's run this script and see what happens. In this scenario, we select one radio button and we click on first checkbox. Navigate to URL, select the first option and click on third checkbox. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.